Welcome! In 2026, an emergency fund isn't optional, it's a foundation. In this video, we'll walk through what an emergency fund is, why it matters right now, and exactly how to build and use one. An emergency fund is a dedicated pool of liquid money reserved for unexpected events, job loss, medical bills, major home repairs, or sudden travel. It's your short-term financial safety net. 2026 brings new economic realities, variable inflation, shifting interest rates, and faster job disruption. Those trends make having accessible cash more important than ever. Key risks this year include lingering inflation, interest rate adjustments, tech-driven job shifts, and more frequent climate events. Each increases the chance you'll need cash on hand quickly. Guidelines change in 2026. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses for traditional households, 6 to 9 months for freelancers and gig workers, and tailor amounts upward if you have dependents or unstable income. Prioritize liquidity and safety. Good options in 2026. High-yield savings accounts, money markets, and short-term CDs. Each balances yield against access. Know the trade-offs. High-yield savings give easy access and rising rates. Money markets can offer slightly higher yield with check access. Short-term CDs lock rates for higher returns but limit immediate access. Choose based on your emergency horizon. Start with a quick emergency stash. Budget aggressively for 30 days. Automate transfers, add side income, and direct windfalls like bonuses or tax refunds straight into the fund. Make transfers automatic so saving happens without willpower. Even $50 a week compounds. Automation removes friction and keeps you consistent. Boost your emergency fund with side gigs or funnel one-time windfalls into savings. Treat these as strategic injections rather than spending boosts. In 2026, balance matters. If high-interest debt exists, split extra cash between paying it down and growing your emergency fund. Maintain at least a small liquid cushion before aggressive investing. Use your emergency fund strictly for true emergencies. Define what qualifies ahead of time, document expenses, and avoid casual use. That discipline protects you long-term. After you tap the fund, rebuild immediately. Resume automated transfers and consider temporary budget cuts to restore the cushion within months, not years. Families should aim higher, 6 to 12 months if one earner could be out, or if childcare and medical needs are significant. Keep funds accessible for unexpected family expenses. Single earners often need a larger buffer because there's no backup income. Aim for 6 months plus a clear action plan if income interrupts. If your role faces rapid automation or layoffs, build a larger fund and upskill buffer. Consider a longer runway while you pivot or reskill. 30 days. Create a 1-month mini fund and automate transfers. 90 days. Reach 3 months of essentials and trim monthly expenses. 365 days. Target 6 months or your household goal. Diversify storage and review annually. Avoid these mistakes. Using the fund for non-emergencies, keeping all cash in low-interest places when rates rise, or failing to rebuild after use. Emergency savings are for urgent, unplanned needs. General savings are goal-based, travel, a down payment, or a new car. Keep them separate for clarity and discipline. Inflation erodes buying power. That means your emergency fund should be sufficient to cover higher living costs. Recalculate your essential monthly expenses regularly to keep pace. Higher rates can make high-yield accounts and short-term CDs more attractive, but prioritize liquidity. Don't lock everything if you might need cash immediately. Irregular income means larger buffers and conservative withdrawal plans. Keep 6 to 9 months or more. Smooth income with dedicated monthly transfers and plan for dry spells. Dual-income households can prioritize one partner maintaining the fund while the other focuses on debt or investment. Still, plan for scenarios where one income drops. Keep 3 to 9 months depending on roles. Use apps that automate transfers, roundups, or paycheck splits. In 2026, look for FDIC-linked accounts, easy withdrawals, and transparent fees. Automation is the key to consistency. Fear, procrastination, and low motivation block saving. Acknowledge small wins and start with micro goals to overcome inertia. Tiny, consistent actions create momentum. Set weekly transfers, celebrate milestones, and progressively increase contributions as you adjust. Before, stress, limited options, and scrambling after a setback. After, calm, choices, and a clear plan. An emergency fund transforms uncertainty into options. Start today. Set one automated transfer, create a 30-day mini fund, and review your target for 2026. Protect your future, one small habit at a time. Click the link, download the checklist, and take the first step.